Hi friends, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. Welcome to my channel, the Blue Hand Drawing. Today we are going to draw the fruit orange in a very easy way. First, let's draw a half circle like this and we begin the drawing. The line extends to this point. Then we're going to draw the half circle. So the circle line, it comes like this, and another line comes like this. Two points meet up here. Then we can draw few lines which are radially distributed like this. All right, like this. Okay, then let's connect the points like this one. Usually it's a straight line, but little bit curve at the end, curve like this, and we connect the line like this. In this point, this looks like this. Okay, now we can draw another curved line like this, which will be circular in shape. As you're going to complete the line up to this point, and here we see a small circle like this. We can draw few lines like this. All right, so this is the basic drawing of the orange. Now it's time to put some shades here. Let's put few shades here like this. You can see that the drawings are very easy in this way. It's not so complicated. All you need to do is to do the practice. Start the drawing. First you draw a outline, then you can keep going on for the detailings. When all the details are done, then you will see that the drawing is already looking good. But you have to be the patience. You need to have patience before completion and do all the details one by one. Put emphasis on the elaboration, and you can move up to completion. All right, few dots you can put here like this for the texture on the surface of the orange. Then we put shades here like this, little shades here like this. So the drawing is in progress, as you can see here. Each of these details are showing the particular segments of the orange when we eat. So each part is the segment of the orange. Now we can put shades in this way here. We can put shades here like this. Keep the drawing going on like this. All right. We can put the yellow outlines like this here. The whole surface has a yellow-like texture because of the ripe orange, yellow in the middle. We can put orange in the border like this. Put the orange to the border like this. Do all the details in step by step. Little orange shades from the center, as you see here. Okay. Also, we are going to do the details for the segments here. So we are going to put the orange to the border of each segment. First, we can put it to the periphery. To the periphery. So you can keep following the drawings here as I am doing right now. It's in progress. We can draw more orange along the outlines here. From the center. Okay. Finally, we can put the orange along the border of this shape. You can see the drawing is already looking good. So the emphasis on the detailings make it lively. Colors are getting nice. orange is looking nice too. It looks like that we can eat it right now. Okay, put the color with patience. Have your time, do the elaboration little by little. Work as long as you need. All right. So this is the drawing of the orange. Thanks for watching and have your time with Blue Hands Drawing. If you like, please subscribe the channel and stay with us. Up to then, stay fine, stay nice. Have a good day.